Hey everybody, so this is the next day. It's been I'll leave them there, raining on and off, so we're saying it's gonna rain on and off. It rained a little bit, but I haven't sprayed these because of that, and it's supposed to rain later today, but the next few days after, no rain, so I'm gonna paint them then. I'm just gonna cover them up with this, and a little water won't hurt. It's just supposed to rain for like 4 or 5 hours. Not super heavy, but you know, you don't want to screw up the painting process. So yeah, see how they look real rusty, but they're not. It's just like surface rust. Or I'm sorry, it's not surface rust. It's just like the stain. I've just like gritted it down. It's not gonna flake off or anything. But yeah, getting ready for paint, and it looks super nice. So alright, update you later.